Welcome to Forex Mentor Weekly Forex Forecast. So, before we start the analysis, please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for the upcoming videos. So, let's start. So, before we start, I want to say something that all chart pairs are moving as expected last week. So, now let's start. So as I told you that the all chart are moving as expected. So this is the Euro USD chart, and here is I want to tell you another scenario for the downward move. So as you see here, the price is moving in a descending triangle pattern. So you see a little trend and price is respecting this trend line. Wait, I'll draw for you this trend line. So you see this is a trend line which price is respecting. Price moving to hit this trend line before go downwards. So what will be the next move? The next move of Euro USD is price might test this level again before breakout to reach our first target, then our second target. So these are my targets. So all my view about the Euro USD is downside down move. So this is the pound USD. The price is moving downwards and respecting this trend line which I draw for you to understand easily. You see the price is hit this level, then go back to downwards and creating another lower low after this one. So the previous week price is moving upward and hit this trend line, then go back to downwards. That's why I tell you in previous week that price may create some corrective structure before go down. So price is moving as expected. So what will be the next move? The next move of pound USD is downward down move. So these are my targets. Price hit these levels before go upwards. So all my view about the pound USD is downside down move. So this is the USD yen. The previous week price go little bit upward to create corrective structure before go down. So I tell you previous week that my target is on this level. The previous week that my target was hit, then price move upwards. So what will be the next move of USD yen? The USD yen is still in a ranging zone. So if the price break this level with a strong impulsive way, then we might see some upward moves to check this level. If price hit this level and will create some rejection over here, then we might take some short positions. Then our targets will be something near between the previous target. So I am neutral about USD yen. So I'm waiting for the price action before I take any trade. So leave this chart for the next week. Let's jump to the next chart for the analysis. So this is the Kiwi USD. As I told you last week, the price may create some corrective structure before go down, and the price is moving as expected. So what will be the next move of Kiwi USD this week? So if you see here, price is also in a range but in a descending triangle pattern. You see here, after rejecting from this level, price tests this level again, then price moving downwards. Then last week price hit this level again, then go downwards. So the This week price may break this range, this small range. This is the longer range. Price break this range and retest this area to meet our targets. So these two are my targets of Kiwi USD. So all my view about the Kiwi USD is still downside down move before go upwards. So this is Aussie New Zealand. As I told you last week that price might test this level or this level before go down. So price is moving as expected. Price hit this level and created a false breakout to trap retail traders, then price moving downwards. So what will be the next move? The next move of Aussie New Zealand is downside down move. Price may test this level or break this level to test this level before go upwards. So you see here, I take you to the left side of the chart. So first this area, this is the most important area for the Aussie New Zealand pullback. Why I told you this area is more important? Because you see this candle, the more power over this area, the more buyers, the more big players, the more big banks are waiting for this area to price hit this level or break this level to create another fake out before go upwards to below the retail traders accounts. So all my view about the Aussie New Zealand, it's downside down move, but I not take a short position of Aussie New Zealand because the market may create a false breakout before go upwards. So wait for the price action over these areas before take upward moves. If you have any system, then you take short position over these areas, but I'm waiting for a particular price action pattern to take the long trade for a long time. So this is the USD CAD. So after a beautiful downtrend, price was break this level and create some ranging market over here. I told you in my previous videos that I love ranging because the ranging markets are create big opportunities. So what will be the next move of USD CAD? The next move of USD CAD is upside up move. The price may test these levels before go down. So I tell you why price will go upward, because you see here, this is a range. After a breakout from this area, market is moving in a range, and you always remember this thing that after a strong breakout of any particular range or a trend, price is moving in a range, because ranging creates big opportunities and take the trends continue. That's why I'm pretty much long in USD CAD. These are my targets. Market may test these levels before go downwards. So if you have a system to take the long trade, you see price is moving in a descending triangle pattern. If price break this level, then we might take some long positions over here, this area. These are my targets. So this is Forex Mentor signing off.